Hello and welcome back. Now let's make a two-way binding for this new product for price information and all. So what I do is let's create public product of type product view is equal to an empty product. So which contains what underscore ID is empty and name is empty, name, image, price, quantity, and info. Okay, so I got ID, name, image, price, quantity, and info. So this we have to bind it to the form data. So go to HTML. First, as of now, I'll make a pre-tag of expression. So product of type JSON. Okay, so this we have to bind it first. It's not image actually. You just have to paste the image URL. Okay, fine. So name how to bind. So let's say name is name only, and let's say ng model for a product dot name. Okay, so that you can check the name is updating, and the same way make it for all. And this is image and the product dot image, and this is price, and this is product dot price, and quantity, this is qty and product dot qty, and the information, this is info and this is product dot info. Okay, let's check. So name is updating, URL updating, price, quantity, information, everything is updating. That's fine. So we don't need to display this guy. Okay, so binding happening, and once it is successful, I click on a create. Create in the sense what you have to make a submit button. Let's say submit create product. Okay, it's a function. Copy that. Go to the TS file. I'll create a function, a method. So here I have to call a service and submit the form data. What I do is, okay, meanwhile I'll say some console.log off. So form is submitted, something like this. Okay, so let me check. I'm not filling any data, but when I click on create, so what happens is, see, you get form is submitted. I don't want to submit the form just like an empty form. Okay, so to handle this non-empty fields, so can we write something like I create a variable public is empty fields of type boolean. Okay, boolean or undefined. Okay, empty fields. Now what I do is I'll check if product this dot product dot name is not is equal to empty, and this dot product dot image is also not is equal to empty, and this dot product dot price not is equal to empty, and what else, this dot product dot quantity is also not is equal to empty, and finally this dot product dot was that info is also not is equal to empty. Then you can try to submit the form data to server. Okay, so otherwise I'll say this dot empty fields is true, like that. Okay, so That's fine. Here you look at submit. So what about empty fields configuration? So can I go to HTML? I will make for empty fields. I make one division. I make a division. This a small alert, alert danger, and alert dismissible. Okay, in this one button with a class called close. I guess it is close. Maybe from Bootstrap 5 they have changed the class name, it seems. Uh, Data dismiss is equal to alert, and let's say I tag with a class fa minus times circle, and also let's write a paragraph. Please fill in the fields. Okay, and when to display is star ng if is empty fields. Okay, so for empty fields you get this error message. So let's check. If I don't enter, yes, you get like this, but it's quite large. Oh, I think I need to go to Bootstrap once. If you have any question, you can go to official Bootstrap and check. Docs, components, alerts. Yeah, these are alerts, right? What about dismissible alert? Uh, Icons, dismissing. Yeah, this one. Button type is button, class button close. This is the one. Copy. The button is this guy. Okay, and there is no paragraph. Just say a strong tag. Is it? Okay. This one span tag before it, because they change the structure of alert statement from Bootstrap 5. I guess that's all. Something called fade show class names also there. I just keep the extra classes. Okay, let's try. Not that one. Let's try that. Refresh. So without entering anything you're trying to create, you get this. Okay, but I want to have only this much size, not the whole page. You have to give a grid system over there. One container, one row, call md for you can make it. So what happened? Only that level it comes. You click on it, it goes. Okay, that's fine. Now we can enter the fields and click on create. So once you click on create, what to happen? It call a function. So here I have to call a service. Where is my service? You can inject. So private. What is that guy? Product service. Product service of type product service. I have a product service is injected to my component. Now I can use that product service. So this dot product service dot create product, and you have to provide this dot product objects dot subscribe. So once you subscribe, you get the successful message. You get the data. The data is an object, but I don't need an object. I just wanted to see once a product is created, I want to redirect to admin page. So how redirection will happen programmatically is you need one more to be injected, that is router from Angular router. Okay, so let's say this dot router dot navigate to slash products slash admin. Okay, dot then nothing to do. Okay, So once it is successfully created, then I'll redirect to admin page. Okay, let's check now. So how you test it? First I go to database, I clear everything. There is no data at all, completely empty. Now yeah, let's try. Fail to compile. Where is the issue? Once again, import mongoose has no default export. Where is this? Server. Why mongoose has come? Something weird. Uh, Database models line number 1. If database model line number 1, okay, let's check database model line number 1 is there. Import mongoose from mongoose. What's a big deal? Certainly, no. Something weird, I guess. I can restart. Yeah, so starting. Come on. Cannot get. Again, the same problem. Module mongoose has no default export. Something weird, dude. Product. Now compile successful. Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Some weird issue. Yep. So my plan is, yeah, now check. There is no data in database, right? So I'm trying to insert some data. For example, I go with onion. Yes, I copy the image address. So I'll say onions image URL price some 56 rupees, some 34 kgs for curry, and just for curry. Okay, see, observe very closely. No data in database. So what happens now? Once you click on create, it will it will submit the form data to server through the service and then redirect it to admin page. So click on create. See, it's been to admin page. Don't worry about this guy. This is dummy. Okay, it's been redirected. It means successfully created. You wanna see that? Go refresh. See onions created. Super. So let's try one more. What I do is caret. I copy the image address. Caret. I'll paste image URL. Price 45. Some 76. Some 23 for juice and curry. Created. Refresh. Yes. Anything else you wanted? Tomatoes. Back to create new. Uh, Tomatoes. Image URL. Price 34. Quantity 56 kgs. And for curry, create. Don't worry about this because this part we have not done. Only just check the backend part. See, tomatoes created. So creation logic is done. And the next part is I need these all the guys to be replaced with my actual data, onions, carrot, and tomatoes. So how can you replace this entire data with onions and carrot? This um, what's called the real data from database. Okay, so let's make that one in the next video. Thank you.